Hi, I'm Joan, the J in JMPO, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to take off dirty gloves. If you wear gloves to protect your hands from contaminated items, it's really important not to spread this yuckiness to clean things when you remove them. Here are some steps on how to do that. The first thing is to loosen your fingers of the gloves on each hand. Sometimes we perspire in these gloves, and that little step makes a big difference. Next, grab the wrist of the glove and pull it forward over the fingers, holding the dirty glove in the still gloved hand. Now, you can take your fingers and slip it under the wrist of the glove, basically to the clean side, and pull that up and over, trapping all that yuckiness inside the gloves. Drop it into the can and you're done. JMPO can help you with your dirty organizing jobs. Give us a call and find out how.